Choice of quality of NIULI forklift. Diesel forklift. The height of the gantry can be selected. Self-designed door frame. More durable. The width of the forward field of view is increased. The height of the instrument panel is lower to enhance the visibility of the fork tip and cargo. The CAE optimized counterweight structure enhances the rear field of view. Adopting a high-strength plate-finned aluminum radiator. Optimizing the cooling air ducts. Enhancing the overall machine's cooling capacity. Ensures the reliable operation of the engine and better adapts to operations in harsh, high-temperature environments. Integrated frame. Hand-painted, the frame undergoes manual painting and polishing multiple times. Steel manganese steel Q345. The motor power system and the power transmission system adopt the most advanced shock absorption technology in China, reducing vibration from the power system, thus making the operator feel more comfortable. Equipped with a high-definition LCD, it allows the operator to conveniently understand the working status, broadens the visual area, and makes it easier and quicker for the operator to inspect the instruments. NIULI Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited. Website www.niuli.com, www.chinaniuli.com, www.niuliforklift.com. Email niuli@chinaniuli.com.